Good morning, teacher. How are you? My name is Tania Patricia Pitalu Arteaga. Um, this is my activity countries in the world. This is in the Sari de Lorica, in Colombia. I'm from which will show important aspects that make it know so the world. This is the public market where many people garden for gastronomy crafts, and the beautiful architecture. These are preservers, architect with the spaces and the people and the walking, trekking, doing sports. Here we see the first man, improving Tarraya economic activity. And acá, here we built in the last century would very well men and women who worked in commerce, motorcycle taxis, and Lorica. This is imagen gathers and the cultural fruit that identifies this diary. And this is Lorica. Thank you.